Hi, I'm Miss T's Idea. I'm back with a video, and I want to welcome you to my page if you've never been here. I want to welcome you, thank you for stopping by, and I want you to come back again. And if you like what you see, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it so much. I hope y'all can't see my whole desk because it's a mess. I don't know what you can see, what you can't. I know there's water right here. Water and a fork I've been painting. And I got a paintbrush around here somewhere. Okay. And this weekend, I was stamping up some paper. This is the paper that's under the paper that I'm stamping. I'm going to show you like this. This is the paper I'm going to stamp. And this paper here gets the overflow. It gets ugly and yucky and this and that. Y'all know, y'all keep a whole pad on your desk sometime. And use that pad after you're done. We don't throw it away, we use it. So this one was this one. And now I'm done with this one, and I'm working on top of this one, and it gets the remnants, and then I kind of fix it up a little bit. This is one that I done this weekend, and I stamped some birds on it. This is some brown paper. I like this paper. I don't know what the name of it is, but I like it. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you some of the things that I did this weekend. And I'm going to try to be quiet yet. This is my favorite colors. I think I did this with a lot of this with markers. And then I done some hand printing. And I also used a fork. Some of these aren't finished. I just keep them off to the side, you know. I knew I wanted this color. I don't know what else I want with it. This is a lot of hand work, and just I also have this. You can tell the ones I stenciled. This was done on some brown coffee paper with my fingers in bed one night. A lot of times I take something to bed to do. And this was done with my fingers and a fork. And a fork. You can't see the fork prints. This one was done with my fingers too. And I think it's the fork just sliding up of the paper. Fingers and fork. And And this one is as well. I took the tip of my finger and and this is on coffee paper. Same here. And this is one of my first, a long time ago. And it's just splattered paint. I got another one. This is my fingers and fork on the coffee paper. And I can use these for collages. I can use them for, digitals. For myself, I can use digitals. And I even made some index cards to go in a journal. And it's the back of it. Right on that. And here's another one. I got some other ones. I got some pretty ones to go in my journal. I can't put my hand on it right now. They are super cute. They're around here somewhere. Just got so much stuff going on. I'm working in my art journal as well. This is an envelope I covered. I covered that. You can see the stitches on it where I sewed it. And this is the envelope. To go in a art journal or a junk journal. Save some things in here. I think there's something in there. Hold on. This pocket. Today is Monday the 21st. I did buy me some watercolors. I don't remember where I got it from. Let's see. Yeah, Alice. You can still see the little sign, the little tag. I got me these watercolors, and they got me some water. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making me some digitals, and I am gonna put them to the side for when I'm ready to use them. I like this one. That's my colors. And like I said, this here is the overflow papers. And I just fixed them up at the end. And I can collage. I can use this as a book cover, journal cover, you know, whatever. And this is not done. This is I'll show you. I got some archival blue right here. I don't know what I want to make. I don't know what I'm going to make with this. I don't. Can you see the blue? Just kind of making the background. You know, for the background won't be so white. Like they say, for it won't seem like, you know, just a plain canvas. It won't overwhelm you. And just, this is some ink I had right here on my desk, and I'm just using what I have. That's what I'm doing. It's amazing, this one little. And see, when it come off, this is this paper. This is what this paper It won't be all on my desk. And I like to have stuff made. And I also, I send stuff in Happy Mail too. So I pretty much make my own ephemera. Most of my ephemera, I would say about 80% of my ephemera that comes from me is made. I made some faux leather one time, and I sent some in. I didn't think nothing of it. It was my first time making some. It did come out good though, and I sent some in a Happy Mail. On that person, out of all I sent in a Happy Mail, that person liked that piece of faux leather, and they put it as a book cover on a journal cover. Not bad. That they was using. They was making, and I'm just doing the background of this. I don't know what it's going to be. I don't know what color it's going to be. This is just the background. With this done, it don't seem so intimidating. An empty page. The empty page makes it a little intimidating. So, with this color on it here, this background on it here, it kind of brings that the impact of the blow. Well, I'm not gonna make this a long video. I'm gonna get back to work, and where's my top? Okay, these are my Miss T ideas. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you like the video, please comment. Drop a comment. What would you do with your paintings, and would you make ephemera, collages? Just if you don't want to say anything, just drop an emoji, drop a peace sign. Miss T ideas. I'm going back and create some more ideas. Bye bye.